Ever put your Mustang GT in reverse and see nothing but a blank screen? You're not alone. Let's fix that rear view camera together, fast. The rear view camera in your Ford Mustang GT is a lifesaver, until it stops working. Here are the most common reasons for camera problems and how you can solve them. First, start with the basics. Check if your screen is set to the right input and make sure the brightness isn't turned all the way down. Sometimes it's just a simple setting. Next, check the camera lens at the back. Dirt, dust, or water spots can block the view. Give it a gentle wipe with a soft cloth. If the camera is still not working, try restarting your infotainment system. This can clear out glitches that sometimes freeze the camera. Still no luck? There might be a loose connection. Pop your trunk and check if the camera's wiring is secure. If you see any damage, you may need professional help. Finally, if your Mustang is still under warranty, contact your Ford dealer. They can check for recalls or software updates that might fix the issue. Don't let a broken rear view camera slow you down. With these simple steps, you'll be back on the road and parking safely in no time.